Each turkey season has its own challenges. Some years we have an early spring and the birds seem to respond really well. Other years, winter seems to drag on forever. The 2020 turkey season was a little of both. It started out with some really nice spring weather and the birds are responding good. But by the second week, Mother Nature had other plans.
How did that work out?
How did we do that, oh boy?
How
did we do that, huh?
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Dude, he was 4 yards.
4 yards.
Oh my word.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Whoa!
I don't know how we did that, man.
I can't feel my hands. It's so bad. I couldn't move my gun.
In the world. I know, I saw
I
it.
couldn't move, dude.
I told you. He's right here.
I couldn't move though. I can't move my thing. I shot like this. My thumb was up and I just went,
dude, I don't know why you took so long.
Cause I couldn't get my gun up. I panicked. I didn't know what you told me to do and took off running and
shoot that.
Oh.
That is awesome. I don't know how we didn't get picked.
He was right behind my
on that log right there. I closed my eyes because I didn't want him to see my eyes. Is he a giant?
Oh. No.
No?
2-year-old.
That's alright. He's got a good beard on though.
Yeah.
Wicked. Dude, I can't believe that.
I can't believe it worked. I've never been so. Oh, I'm telling you, 2 times in a row. When have you ever hunted in snow?
I ain't never done this before.
You gotta be careful, he might fly away on me. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it.
He was right on. I mean,
He came,
when I told you, dude, I was like this. I could just see him.